Hey guys, what's going on? How are you guys holding up in this crazy quarantine time of ours? How many of you are still bullet journaling? I have to say that I am very proud of myself for following through with this bullet journal. I started to do more journal entries versus like actual tasks that need to be completed. I don't have a habit tracker right now because I'm not forcing myself to stay productive. And honestly, that's starting to weigh on me. I need to actually move and start working out and stuff because I know I'm going to gain that COVID-19 right in my belly. I've already started. But anyway, let's focus on this month since I'm really excited to get back into the Happy Planner style into my bujo. I almost said bullet journal again, and I feel like I'm saying that word too much. That's why I'm like hesitating. I really enjoy the hybrid spreads and I get a real kick out of it. So I wanted to get back into it because I was using stickers and washi tape and I'm like, yeah, let's get back to that. So here you can see I'm drawing Godzilla, and the reason is because for May, my theme is a Japan. I went to Japan last year and I fell in love with the country, the people, the food, everything. And I just want to go back. I miss it so much. So I got a bunch of washi tape and stickers from Japan. So I just figured, you know what? Let's just do a whole theme dedicated to one of my favorite countries. So this Godzilla head is actually a nod to Tokyo. They have a Godzilla in their you have to go search for it. I forgot what neighborhood it's in, but I wanted to recreate that and make a cute version of him. But what I didn't consider, you'll see it there in a second. Actually, will I talk about that? I'll talk about that when I get back to it. I'm just trying to follow along whatever's on my screen. So here in this corner, I drew a Tokyo shop front, but this particular image is not a original creation by me. I Googled different types of Tokyo doodles and drawings on the internet, and I was like, okay, I'm going to try to at least find something I like, and maybe I'll print it out, use it as a sticker or something. And then I thought, wait a minute, no, like, the one thing I didn't really care for about the Happy Planner style, like the hybrid bujo, was the fact that it was just nothing but like lines, right? And I'm like, the bullet journal, you can do so many cool things with it. So I figured, you know what, let me just draw something and integrate art within that structured layout of a planner. So when I found this image, I fell in love. I wanted this shop front in my book. So I decided to sketch it out, draw it out. And the original artist, I'll link the artist in the description box, his or her name. I'm right off the top of my head, I don't know. And I know it's a name that I cannot pronounce. So I just really loved the image. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance because this storefront has some Japanese writing on it, on the banners and stuff. I don't write katakana or hiragana or kanji or anything like that. So I don't remember how to properly write these characters down, so they are not accurate. So if anyone who is Japanese watching, don't get offended. I do my best to try to emulate the look of the characters. And of course, when it comes to Japan, you can't not have a cherry blossom tree in your spreads, right? I feel like that's a must have. So I went ahead and drew one and did the best that I could with my little doodles. So this Tokyo skyline that I'm drawing is also from Google Images. I could not find the original artist's name. This just came from some website. So if you're the artist, say hello in the comments below. But I'm just going to link it again in the description box so you can reference it in case you want to also draw it yourself. And then what you see here is me drawing in the rest of the lines. Okay, so now came the incredible task of trying to figure out how to go about picking the right markers and colors for the rest of the book, which I referenced my swatch page, and thank God I had that because it's just so valuable, Okay, so now I know Godzilla is like black. He's dark. But for the sake of the book, I wanted him to be green, you know, just for color. And this is when what I was about to talk about earlier, is that I didn't account for the middle of the book. I just expected to draw his head coming out from behind one of the columns as if it was a building, but then I didn't realize, oh crap, I have to actually color him in all the way. So the rest of the body, just don't look at it. It's just my little lame addition to this drawing I didn't expect to do. And then I had to pick the right way for me to do my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday words and numbers and stuff. So luckily I have a huge collection of stickers. So I decided to use them this time around because I don't know. I want to use up my stickers. I have so many. And for my birthday that just passed on the 15th of April, I bought myself a lot of stickers, you guys. A lot. So I was like, I can't just not use them. So yeah, I had to, you know, partake in this whole experience. And then using my reference sheet with the reference photo that I had on my phone of this cute storefront, I colored in this drawing with my Marvy color and markers. And I love them so much. They're my favorite. And this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this image. There's actually more of these storefronts online, and the style of this art amazes me. I wanted this whole thing to be completely colorful, so of course I'm going to color in the cherry blossom tree. And then we have some more coloring using a reference photo with the same markers, the Marvy In Color In markers? Marvy Uchida Color In markers. Yeah, there we go. That's the name. And that's it, everyone. This is my May setup for 2020, the hardest year of our existence, I hope. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I cannot wait to fill this bad boy up. So follow me on Lana Plans on Instagram. That way you guys can see images as the weeks go on. So everyone, please take care of yourselves. Stay the fuck inside, please, everybody. Okay, so we can get this thing over with and go back to work. Okay, bye.